For centuries, human civilization has been built around one central idea: work. Today, many believe we are entering the fourth industrial revolution. But according to researcher and author Roy J. Andersen, this assumption may be wrong. There was only one true industrial revolution, beginning more than 250 years ago. Schools were designed to turn children into reliable workers for factories and industry. But today, humanity may be standing at the beginning of something far greater: the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is no longer just software inside computers. It may soon shape the physical world around us. Emerging technologies may even allow nanorobots, invisible to the eye, to build objects and structures automatically. If machines design and build everything, what work will remain for humans? Some researchers suggest that more than half of the world's population may never work again. A world without purpose could bring social tension, depression, and growing instability. Roy J. Andersen believes the solution is not more control, but a new kind of education. If machines build the world, then education must focus on building wiser, kinder, more socially aware human beings. For over 45 years, Roy J. Andersen has explored these ideas through his writings. Discover the ideas shaping the future of education and society. Books by Roy J. Andersen. All books available now on Amazon.